In this video, we're going to look at doing dividing decimals by a whole number. So we've got 8.5 divided by 5. We've got some other examples which we'll read out as we do them. So we've got 8.5 divided by 5. So if we set this up as like we do normal division, 5, 8.5, and then 5 goes into 8 once, and there is 3 left over, so we'll put a little 3 over there. So we're going to use short division, yeah? 35 divided by 5, or 5 into 35, is 7. But the important point is that we do line up the decimal point with what's in the question. So we get our final answer of 1.7. So when we do division, the decimal point is just lined up as it per the question, unlike multiplication. So the next one is 43.74 divided by 3. So 3's setting up like normal division. So my decimal point is actually going to go here. Okay, so 4 divided by 3 is 1. We're going to have 1 left over. 3's into 13 goes 4 times, and we're going to have 1 left over. 3's into 17 will go 5 times, but we'll have 2 left over. And then 3's into 24 will go 8 times. So our answer will be 14.58. So same idea, decimal point goes in line with the question, and then we just do normal short division. So here we've got 9.3 divided by 4. So we've got 4, so 9.3. So my decimal point is going to go here. So 9 divided by 4 is going to be 2, and there's 1 left over. And then 4's into 13 go 3 times, but we still have 1 left over. So now we start adding in a 0 and put a 1 here. So we now have 10 divided by 4, which is going to be 2, but we're going to have 2 left over. So we put in another 0 and put a little 2. And then 20 divided by 4 becomes 5. Now, these don't always end. They can go on forevermore. But for this sake of this video, it just shows you what to do if you sort of run out of numbers. So the answer will be 2.325. Note the extra zeros, and also note that the decimal point is in the answer is in line with the question. D, 35.42 divided by 7. So 7's into 35.42. 7's into 3 don't go. Decimal point in line, but 7's into 35 go 5 times. Let's just go back there a little and correct that. So in here we could put a little 3 if we wanted to. And then say that 35 divided by 7 is going to be 5. And we haven't got any left over. 7's into 4 don't go, so we need to put in a 0 and carry the 4 across, and then 42 divided by 7 is going to be 6. So obviously to do division you need to know your tables. So the answer to this one will be 5.06. And then the last example, 1.96 divided by 7. Right, 7's into 1 don't go, so we need to put in a 0. The decimal point in line with the question, so 0. So we've got a 1 to carry across. 19 divided by 7 is 2, and that's going to be remainder 5. And then 56 divided by 7 is going to be 8. So we get an answer there of 0.28. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to divide a decimal by a whole number. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.